Roborock Qrevo S review, ultimate robot vacuum comparison with Dreame L10S Ultra and iRobot Roomba Combo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Roborock Qrevo S, one of the latest robotic vacuums in Roborock's lineup. We'll dive into its specifications, features, and also compare it to two other popular models, the Dreame L10S Ultra and the iRobot Roomba Combo. Let's break down everything you need to know before making a decision, including pros and cons, and of course, the current prices. Roborock Qrevo S specifications. Let's start with the technical specifications of the Roborock Qrevo S. Suction power, 2500, known for its powerful suction. Known for its powerful suction, the Qrevo S is more than capable of lifting dirt, dust, pet hair, and even larger debris from various floor types. Battery capacity, 5200 milliamp hours. With a runtime of up to 3 hours, this vacuum is ideal for larger homes, multi-floor cleaning, and longer cleaning sessions. Navigation system, LiDAR, laser distance sensor. This system helps map your home precisely, creating an efficient cleaning path while avoiding obstacles and allowing for multi-floor mapping. Dustbin capacity, 470 milliliters, a relatively large dustbin, which means fewer trips to the bin for emptying. Water tank for mopping. 200 milliliters, the integrated mopping function has adjustable water flow, making it suitable for homes with a mix of flooring types, hardwood, tile, etc. Cleaning modes, auto, max, quiet, mop. These modes provide flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. Max mode delivers the strongest suction for deep cleaning, while quiet mode keeps noise to a minimum. Size. Diameter 35.3 centimeters, height 9.65 centimeters. Its compact size means it fits under most furniture, even low-profile items. Noise level 67 dB, comparable to a standard vacuum cleaner but quieter in quieter modes. Connectivity. Wi-Fi enabled, supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for voice control. You can control it through the Roborock app as well, making it incredibly convenient. Pros of the Roborock Qrevo S. Strong suction power. With 2,500 PA, it provides one of the strongest suction powers available, ensuring effective cleaning even on thick carpets and hard-to-reach areas. Long battery life. The large 5,200 milliamp hour battery ensures that it can cover larger homes without needing frequent recharges. LiDAR navigation. This advanced system allows for precise mapping and obstacle avoidance, which results in highly efficient and systematic cleaning. Mopping function. The adjustable water tank lets you choose the intensity of the mopping, making it suitable for various floor types. Smart integration. You can control the vacuum using voice commands via Google Assistant or Alexa, or schedule cleaning tasks remotely via the Roborock app. Cons of the Roborock S. Price. At approximately $550 to $600, it's not the most budget-friendly option available, which may make it less appealing for cost-conscious buyers. Water tank size. The 200 milliliter water tank might not be sufficient for larger homes, requiring you to refill it during longer cleaning sessions. No high pile carpet specialization. Although it performs admirably on most surfaces, it might struggle with high pile or plush carpets. Noise. While the Qrevo S is quiet in its auto and quiet modes, it can become noisy in max mode, making it disruptive in sensitive environments. Current price as of October 2024, United States $549, $599, Europe $499, $549, United Kingdom $450, £500. Comparing Roborock Qrevo S with other popular robotic vacuums. Now let's take a look at how the Roborock Qrevo S stacks up against two popular competitors, the Dreame L10S Ultra and the iRobot Roomba Combo. 1. Dreame L10S Ultra. Technical specifications. Suction power, 5,300 PA. The Dreame L10S Ultra offers one of the strongest suction capacities among robot vacuums, perfect for deep cleaning even thick carpets. Battery, 5,200 milliamp hours. Similar to the Qrevo S, it provides an impressive runtime of up to 3 hours. Navigation, LiDAR plus AI obstacle avoidance. Like the Qrevo S, it uses LiDAR for efficient navigation, but it also has AI-powered obstacle detection, which can recognize and avoid objects like shoes, cords, and pet waste. Dustbin capacity, 400 milliliters, slightly smaller than the Qrevo S. Water tank for mopping, 200 milliliters, same as the Qrevo S. Cleaning modes, auto, max, mop, quiet. similar to the Roborock Qrevo S. Pros, high suction power with 5300 PA. It offers the most powerful suction of the three, making it ideal for deep cleaning. AI object avoidance. This helps the vacuum avoid obstacles more efficiently than the Qrevo S, reducing the risk of getting stuck. Great for pet owners. The powerful suction and AI obstacle avoidance make it perfect for homes with pets, as it handles pet hair and messes easily. Higher price. The Dreame L10S Ultra is priced slightly higher at $600 to $700, which can be a drawback for some users. Smaller dustbin capacity. A 400 milliliter dustbin means you might need to empty it more frequently during larger cleaning sessions. Not great for high pile carpets. Like the Qrevo S, it may not be as effective on high pile carpets. SHA-2, iRobot Roomba Combo. Technical specifications. Suction power, 2500 PA, similar to the Roborock Qrevo S, but generally considered to be less powerful in practice. Battery, 5,200 mAh, provides a similar runtime of up to 2.5 to 3 hours. Navigation, visual navigation plus camera, uses a camera to navigate and detect obstacles. It's not as advanced as LiDAR-based systems. Dustbin capacity, 400 millimeters, similar to Dreame L10S Ultra. Water tank for mopping, 250 millimeters, slightly larger than the Qrevo S and Dreame L10S Ultra. Cleaning modes, auto, max, quiet, mop, same as the others. Pros, self-emptying dock. One of the standout features is the self-emptying dock, which makes maintenance much easier. Good for pet owners. It comes with strong suction and good pet hair pickup capabilities. Mopping. The mopping function is quite efficient with its larger 250 milliliter water tank. Cons. Navigation. The camera-based navigation isn't as accurate as LiDAR systems. It can struggle with obstacle detection. Lower suction power. At 2500 PA, it's not the most powerful suction option out there. Price. At around $700 to $800, the Roomba Combo is one of the most expensive options, which can be hard to justify for many users. Shorter battery life. Compared to the other models, it offers a shorter runtime, around 2.5 hours, which may be limiting for larger homes. Final thoughts. So, which vacuum should you choose? Here's a breakdown of each model's strengths. Roborock Qrevo S, best for those looking for a well-rounded, high-performance vacuum with strong suction and smart features like LiDAR navigation. It's an excellent option if you want long battery life, a smart app integration, and effective mopping. It strikes a good balance between price and performance. Ideal for users who prioritize suction power above all. With 5300 PA suction, it's perfect for deep cleaning homes, particularly those with thick carpets. The AI obstacle avoidance also makes it one of the best at avoiding obstacles, but it comes at a higher price. iRobot Roomba Combo. This is best for those who want self-emptying convenience and don't mind paying extra for it. It's great for pet owners and has a larger mopping capacity, but its camera navigation and higher price may deter some users. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, all-round vacuum with great navigation, the Roborock Qrevo S is an excellent choice. If suction power is your top priority, go with the Dreame L10S Ultra. And if you want the convenience of a self-emptying dock, consider the iRobot Roomba Combo. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.